You are young, but you are not safe, because while you are exploring, someone your age is building, and time doesn't wait for either of you. You think you got time, you got years of to figure out it what to do, but you don't. Every hour you waste now will cost you years later. 16 turns into 20, 20 turns into 25. Before you know it, you will stuck behind on everything. Being uh, being being young is not a excuse. It's your advantage. You got you have to got time if you use it right. Learn fast, work hard, then your friends build when they parties, because you will live a life they never touch. You don't have you don't need to 5 years to change your life. You need 6 months of obsession, no distraction, no excuse. Start now. First, learn a skill. Second, build something real. Third, try your body, train your body, and fourth, discipline your mind. Your future isn't waiting for you. It's already been built by someone else. You are not too young. You are not too slow. Every single second you waste, you lose leverage. This is your shot. This is your time. Use it or regret it forever.